Hello, it's your boy Miguel for the Mode Mechanic 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point. The point of this video is just to show an example of what I see on a daily basis. Now, I know some of you mechanics are going to say, I see it every day. This is not for you. This is just in general. With that being said, I had a customer that wanted me to look at a Chevy Equinox. No start. Customer said it was a crank but no start, and then they changed the starter. I arrived, the vehicle is literally sitting this way, literally probably about 10 feet away from me right now, already on jacks, starter hanging on the ground, computer laying somewhere else, battery on the ground, fuses everywhere, the variable timing solenoids literally on the ground, just changing parts. Not me. I didn't do any of this stuff. I just here for a diagnosis. I didn't know where to begin, and all it was the key wasn't recognized by the computer from the security system. That's all it was. That was my diagnosis. And then the rest of all that stuff that was done by the customer has nothing to do with me. And also barely has any oil in the vehicle at all. And it has over 100,000 miles, almost 150,000 miles. My point in the story is, before you start tearing up your car, just get it professionally diagnosed. None of that stuff would have ever been done. It's common. Another way to find out, if you turn your remote on your vehicle, and it does lock, but there's no lock signal, your security system is doing nothing. It's just telling to lock, and that's it. It's not even coming on or not coming off. And then if you have the signal, the sign of a lock signal on your dashboard that won't go away on your Chevy, your security system is locked. The computer didn't recognize the key. The security system needed to be reprogrammed. My point in my story is, that was a lot of money that the customer wasted on their own behalf, doing YouTube stuff, talking about their brother and YouTube and all that stuff. Let a professional come take care of it, get it done right the first time, and move on. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, and follow. Also, if you are a mobile mechanic, I sell documents. You can go to my bio page, click on the link tree, and look at the must-have look at the 9 must-have documents. Also, you can click on my Amazon store of all the tools that I actually use for DIY or professionals or whatever the case may be. I also do business consultations to start your own business. I've been doing this for a very, very long time, so I can tell you the mistakes, skip things, start moving your way up to the top a lot faster through my one-on-one consultation. It's there. Link tree on my bio. If you're looking at this on YouTube, just go to the description of the video. Thank you.